Hello, can you please introduce about yourself?
My name is Arfan Syaputra.
Alright.
I live in MINHAJUSSALAM. I am from Aceh Singkil. My hobby is swimming.
Okay.
There are 5 in my family.
Right.
They are Daddy, Mommy, 1 younger sister,
Yes.
1 younger brother, and me.
Okay, right. Could you please tell me something that you want in this life?
Something that I want in this life is
Okay.
to make my parents happy.
Right.
To make my parent proud
Okay.
of me. To be useful for everyone. That's it for me. Thank you.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you.